Hello, my name is Werner Absinger, chef de cuisine at Cygnus 27 atop the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today, we are going to cook sake-poached salmon. Today I'm here with Zach, and what we need for that is salmon, a fillet of salmon, some vegetables. We have snow peas, peppers, fennel, Brussels sprouts, shiitake mushrooms, green onions, and hakutsuri sake, and some saffron. And Zach is going to show us how to do it. So Zach, why don't you show us how to do the sake-poached salmon?
Okay. All right, first thing I did, I added some olive oil to the pan. Then we're going to add our larger vegetables first, our Brussels and our shiitakes. Let those heat up a little bit. Add some seasoning, salt and pepper. Maybe we can put the rest in there.
So essentially what you're looking for is a really nice glaze. There we go.
I'm going to save our green onions for the end because they cook the fastest.
So we're going to let this go for a couple of seconds, toss it up every once in a while. So that has been going for a while now. We're going to add the saffron, right?
Add a little pinch of saffron. We'll add our remaining green onions. Toss that up briefly.
And it's smelling absolutely fantastic, and something that obviously doesn't show in the video, but it's smelling fantastic.
Yes, it is. So now we're going to deglaze with our sake. We're going to start with one bottle. And we'll add our lemons. And once this heats up, then we'll put our salmon right in the middle.
There we go. Looks like it's almost ready to go, isn't it?
Yeah, it heats up quick. All right, we'll set our salmon right in the middle. A little more sake. A little bit more seasoning.
And this is going to take about 6-7 minutes to poach. All right, the salmon has been poaching for about 7-8 minutes. Now Zach is going to plate it up like we possibly could do at the restaurant.
I carefully take this piece of fish out, put it in the middle of the plate, try to get out some of my vegetables so it's nice and even. Last few out here. And then I'm going to use my ladle and ladle in the broth right around the salmon.
Beautiful. All right, thanks a lot, Zach, for helping us out here. And this is how we would do sake-poached salmon at the restaurant and how we would plate it. Thank you very much for watching.